start recording. It comes here, say allow. Okay, so what that means is that in your system, you are enabling your MacBook to record your screen at this point. That is what that is all about. So like I said, welcome you all back here for this teaching I'm bringing out to us. A couple of people are asking me from our comment section that if you want to record your screen for training purpose, like you're an instructor, you want to teach people, making them to see the appearance of your screen where you are pointing your mouse to teach them one or two things. What application do you use? So one of them is called Screen Studio, and that is what I'm using to explain things to us right now. Okay, so the next thing, I'll be navigating my screen, and whatever I'm doing will be recorded right now. Okay, so let me dive into question that came. Somebody asked me, somebody was saying, like, when you use a Zoom as a screen recorder to record, after the recording, that he doesn't see the recorded file. Where can he find it? So I'll be navigating to show us if you have a recorded file where you can find it. Okay, so watch me as I do it, and remember, like I told us, I'm using Screen Studio, and that is the application I'm using for this teaching, for this instruction. So if you are trying to get your file that you have recorded in Zoom, the first thing is to go to your Zoom application. If you don't have a Zoom app on your system, all you need is to go to zoom.com on your browser, then download it. You can also use it online, use it on your browser, or you download the app. In this case, I have the app downloaded on my MacBook. Okay, so the first thing I'll do, I'll come right here, I'll click. As you can see, my picture is still right here showing. Can you see that? So if you want to have a new meeting, all you need is to come here. You have your click on your meeting, then it brings you to this place. Am I correct? Then you have this. Let's say you finish. Let's say I want to record what I'm doing right now. I'll go ahead and click on record. I hope all of us are familiar with the use of Zoom, okay? Because the emphasis for today is to show you studio screen recording. Then I'll come and click record. Then hear the sound.
Recording in progress.
It says recording in progress. It means what I'm showing you right now, what I'm talking to you about right now, is being recorded. Okay, so let me stay here and let it record for some time. Then after that, the system is going to save it on your device, and there are usually some options that it will give. Immediately you click on record my screen, it's going to ask you whether you're going to record it in the cloud or you're going to record it in your computer, which is the MacBook that I'm using right now. But the option I usually choose is the option to record it on my system, which is on my computer. Is that okay? So when I'm done, what do I need to do? I'll come here, I'll say stop recording.
Recording stopped.
So as you can see up here, it says the recorded file will be converted to MP4 when it is done. You see that? It already give me the instruction over there. So you wait for some time for this thing to be converted and stored on your system. So let us go and see the status. Let me close this page. Then say end all meeting. So as you can see, what I have recorded, this section I don't have with you guys, is being converted. After the conversion, it brings you to this place. You see it. This is what you recorded just now. You can see. Let's play it to see what it looks like. You see that? Recording in progress. It means what I'm showing you right now. So let's say you are finished recording this meeting. Now you don't know where the file is being found, because it's usually not under your download, usually not under your document. It is nowhere to be found. But there is a way to pull it out, and that is what I'm showing us today. So the next thing, the first thing is to go back to your Zoom app. Then you come here. You see my profile picture. I'll click on it. Then the next you go to setting. But there are some times in other version of Zoom app, you will see the setting. Anywhere you see setting, click on it. But in this case, setting is hidden under here. I'll come here, click on my profile. You see work location, try to feature, check for update, discover what is new, help, and the rest of all of that. But I'm going to my setting. I need us to follow me, okay, so that you know exactly what I'm doing. So from the setting, you come here, you see video, audio, share screen, team chat, Zoom apps, background and effect, recordings, profile, statistic, keyboard, and accessibility. Go to recording. That is where the file is. I'll click on recording. Then it brings me to your file location. Say store my recordings at, this is my location. Then what I need to do next is to click on open. When I click on open, it is usually bring up this dialog box. You see that? When it brings it down, you go down to see today's date. You see, this is what I recorded today. Today is January 29. You see, I'll click on it. You're going to give me option here, audio record, audio 1967654661, then recording dot configuration, then I have videos. So this is the point where I'm going to. So if you click on it, you're going to show you your recorded video. So that is how to locate the files that you recorded on Zoom application. Okay, so now from here you can send the files out. Look at what I'm going to do. I will say right click and I'll say share. I can share it, I can copy it, I can rename it, I can do whatever I need to do. But in this case, what I'm about to do, I'm going to take it and drag it to my screen. You see, I'll drag it out. So here it has become one of my files on my desktop. You see that? So I'll close this. So the file is out. So I can also rename these files. I can rename it. What I need to do, I'll right click, then I'll say rename, and I'll give it a new name. Okay, then I could say Screen Studio Tutor. So that is the name of my file. So that when I'm trying to locate it next time, I'll see it. So let's see what we recorded, what it looks like. I'll come here, double click, and make it open wide. So let's play it to see what it looks like. Okay. So you see that? Recording in progress. It means what I'm showing you right now, what I'm talking to you about right now. So that is how to use Screen Studio. And if you have any question, please feel free to reach out to me. If you want more lecture, if you want a private coaching, reach out to me in the comment section. And please do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you are watching from YouTube. And if you are watching from Facebook, please follow us for more updates. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.